Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a secure small wig clip with intact teeth and spring. This ensures grip. Once chosen, hold the dupatta where you want it anchored and align the clip about 1 to 2 inches from your hairline on the inner edge. Make a quick pin mark through the fabric to avoid shifting. Now open the clip and press the clasp gently against the marked spot, getting ready to stitch or clamp so the dupatta sits naturally without pulling on your hairline. Once the clip is placed, thread a needle with matching thread and start hand stitching through the clip base and fabric with short, tight stitches. This prevents slippage. If fabric is delicate, add a small backing piece behind the clip to distribute tension and hide stitches for a clean look. Make sure the stitches are neat so the clip sits flat. After stitching, fasten and trim thread, then gently tug the dupatta to test security. Add a second clip 3 to 4 inches away. To finish, part a small section of hair where you want the clip and snap it closed beneath for a discreet anchor, making sure fabric drapes naturally. Once done, smooth and tuck any exposed fabric edges and use a hairpin to hide gaps or reinforce the drape. If you notice slipping, make sure clip teeth are clean. If they still slip, swap for a silicone-lined clip or restitch with thicker thread. Finally, move your head gently to confirm comfort and stability before wearing out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.